Maria Jose Miranda, and I am the director of Catrina's Makeup and Design that was founded in April of 2018. Catrinas are very special to my heart because it is a newfound passion. As recent as 2013, I finally established Catrina's Makeup and Design in 2018, but it's something that I had never explored before. I've always been in the, I guess you could say, industry in folklore pretty close to all of my life since I was 13 here in Toronto. The most gratifying part for me is the end result, seeing the final product, seeing the Catrina experience as well, because each of the models, if you ask them, they say that it's very enchanting. It's the most wonderful experience that they've had, not only because they're able to showcase their culture, but the experience itself in transforming into an enchanting character is something that they enjoy. Makeup is inspired by the interpretations of lithographer Jose Guadalupe Posada with the Calavera Garbancera and the Calavera Catrina from the Mexican muralist painter Diego Rivera. Both were a reference to the Lady Death or Death. The makeup of the Catrina is also an inspiration from the colorful sugar skulls, which are a part of the ofrendas in Dia de los Muertos, or Day of the Dead. Today, the Catrina has turned into an icon for the Day of the Dead celebrations in Mexico, and it has taken different forms of inspiration by various artists within Mexico and abroad.